Unit 5, Formative 1, Day 5, Grouping. Alright, so if you look at this one, number 1, 3n to the third minus 12n to the second plus 2n minus 8. This one, unlike the previous video, this now has 4 terms. Okay, so what you're going to do is you're going to start by making your box. Okay, if you notice, we have 4 terms and we have 4 boxes, so it's perfect. We just start, we have 3n to the third minus 12n to the second plus 2n minus 8. So everything fits. Okay, now we look at those top 2 boxes. What do they have in common? Well, they both have a 3. What goes into n to the third and n to the second? You can take an n out, but you can actually take an n to the second out because it's the smallest on top. Okay, then you say, okay, 3n to the second. How do you get 3n to the third? Well, 3 times 1 is 3, and n to the second times n would make n to the third. Okay, and then you have 3 times something to get to negative 12. Well, that's negative 4. You already have your n to the second, so you don't have to worry about that. And then you have 1n times what is 2n? Well, you need a 2. Okay, so your answer would be 3n to the second plus 2 and 1n minus 4. Alright, we'll try one more. 20r to the third plus 8r to the second plus 15r plus 6. Okay, so start by making your box. You have 20r to the third, 8r to the second, 15r, and 6. Okay, top 2 boxes, what do they have in common? Well, you might say 2, but it's actually something bigger than a 2. You can take a 4 out. Okay, and you can also take an r to the second out. Alright, and then 4 times what is 20? 5. R to the second times r would make r to the third. And then you say, okay, 4r to the second to get to 8r to the second. Well, 4 times 2 is 8, and then the r to the second is already there. And then last but not least, the 5r to get to 15r. Well, 5 times 3 is 15r. Okay, so then you just put it in your parentheses. So you have 4r to the second plus 3 and 5r plus 2. Alright?